Um, she's beautiful and she's sold out. Hello. So this is my third time, I think, recording this review for Outre's Melted Hairline Wig Kamiyah. And it is because I have mixed feelings about this unit. You may notice I've started this video with the unit already on my head. I'm not saying that I won't still do first impression reviews of units, but I find that after wearing a unit a few times, I get a better sort of like experiential sense of the unit, and I have more information to give you, the viewer, about how I really feel about it, as opposed to, you know, the first impression of it, which can sometimes change after wearing it after, you know, the first impression. So I have had this unit for, I want to say, a couple of weeks now. I haven't worn it out. I'm going to be wearing it out today, actually, to a small family social gathering. And I'm going to be wearing it out because I've been wearing it for a little bit. And initially, I did not like the color of this unit. I'm going to be 100% honest. I got this unit because I knew it was going to sell out like hotcakes. Like, I just knew it. I forget which review I watched, but it was for the color ginger brown, which I loved. And so I was looking for that one, didn't find it, grabbed this one, which is DRFF4 Hazelnut Honey. And like, there's hardly any of these units left anywhere. And so when I first tried it, I wasn't happy with the color. I was just like, this is not a blonde that I would pick for myself. But everything else about this unit is 100% on point. I will just say that right now. And so the claims are that it has a frontal effect hairline, so no plucking is required. Absolutely 100% no plucking required on this. Definitely a frontal hair effect. I have never seen this in a unit before. I have never seen a lace part wig that's just the part that you get down the middle look like a unit that you would want to part in other places. So it has that effect to it, and I think that's amazing. I really, really like it. I think it looks very realistic. The cap, it really does cover up my hairline. My head measures 22 inches in circumference for reference. So this covers my hairline really well. You can pull some hair out for baby hairs or make sideburns or whatever you want to do. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it does come in a lot of colors, but I'm going to tell you right now, sold out everywhere. I think I saw like a 613 somewhere. And that is the main reason why I got this unit, because I knew it was going to sell out, and I wanted to have a chance to check it out on my own to see if it really was as good as the reviews that I've seen about it. And the truth is, it is. The density is freaking perfect. It's a nice low density, which I think adds to its realisticness. Because I think low density wigs are the most realistic looking wigs, unless you're going for a look or a wig is designed to have a lot of volume. If it's a big curly wig, then of course bigger density, you know, makes sense. But for a wig like this that's just long and straight, this low density really makes it look even more realistic. There isn't a lot of shine on this. It's a nice dull luster. This hair is a light yaki texture, a little bit silky, and it does tangle on the ends. Like, this does get tangly. I brush it out a lot. It's been okay so far. It's been all right so far, but it does tangle. It definitely does tangle. I really don't get a lot of shedding on this unit, so that's good. The cap is very comfortable, not like super big head friendly, but very snug. Like, I've worn this unit in the apartment for hours and just not even thought about it. Like it's very comfortable. So maybe it is big head friendly. I don't know. I wouldn't necessarily call snugness big head friendly, but it might be. I don't know. You know, watch other reviews, of course. You will only know when you try it for yourself, but I find it to be very comfortable. I think one of the adjustable straps is hooked in, the other one isn't. And also this comes with an elastic band. Everything else about the cap is standard. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. The only difference is it has this elastic band for added security and to like just have it like fit to the head closely, because you know it is a straight hair unit. And I did add heat to this unit as well. I don't necessarily feel like when it comes out of the bag it's very humpy at all, but I just wanted to, like, you know, do my best to make it look as sleek and slicked down and flat as possible. This unit is about 20 inches. It just comes like right here to my nipple. So I also feel like this is a really nice wearable length. And so far when I wear it, even though it's the kind of hair that has a little bit of flyaway action, I don't have any hair that gets in my face. I think it maintains this style and this structure very well, so that when I'm moving around and when I like look down and look up and to the side, the hair moves really nicely. It doesn't bother me. So all of these things for me are absolutely 100% like great pros about this unit, and I really, really like that. I'm just saying that initially I was just like, oh man, I really don't like this color as much as I would have liked to. But again, it was a last grasp. It was literally a grab to just get this unit to see what it was like, because I knew that they were gonna fly, and they did. So on to the 360, and then I will be back to wrap this up with my final thoughts. Honestly, there are no real cons except for the tangling on the ends. Everything else, like I said, is just my personal feeling about the color. And even if I feel like this is not a color that I would pick for myself, I can't deny that this unit is an incredible unit, and for the price. It starts at about $37 and up. Again, I am so sorry that this unit is like sold out pretty much everywhere, but for $37, this frontal effect hairline, the pre-plucking, the easily blendable lace, I can see why it went so quickly, is all I'm saying. Also, I forgot to mention the 5-inch deep parting space, which also adds to the realisticness of it. It's all there. Everything is here in Wig Kamiyah, and I don't regret purchasing this unit at all. I am so glad that I got a chance to get my hands on it so I could really, really attest to how amazing it is. This is Outre's Melted Hairline series Wig Kamiyah, and I will see you in my next video soon. Bye-bye.